Hi, I'm Stevo, Stevo's Barbecue. Today we'll be cooking with Cowboy Charcoal. We'll be doing chicken wings today, and we'll start off with the brine. We'll get them and brine them, and then after that we'll get them on our Oklahoma Joe grill, and we'll smoke them at 300 degrees using some apple chips, apple wood from Cowboy Charcoal. And then after that we'll get direct heat on them. We'll put them over the direct heat, moving them around constantly, and then we'll toss them around in our favorite sauce and show you right here what we got. So we got all our stuff ready for the brine. We're gonna get our water here. It's ready to go. It's 5.5 cups of water that we're gonna put in here. And normally we'll do this in the pot right here. For the camera, we're just gonna show you real quick how we do everything. All right, we're gonna get our salt in there. So we'll put our salt in there, let it dissolve. All right, we'll get my Lutin Booty Al Jefe rub. I'm gonna put that in there. I love the flavors in that. All right, we're gonna get our sugar in here. Let that come in there. That's right, we're gonna let that dissolve in there. Here's our apple cider vinegar. We're gonna put that right in there. Then you're gonna add it to your pot, and you're gonna bring it to a boil. Get all that flavors in there. And we want that all to dissolve. The sugar and salt dissolve in there before we make our marinade. And you wanna make sure it cools off. You don't wanna put your chicken in a warm bath. All right, before we get our chicken on there, we're gonna add some apple from Cowboy. We're gonna add our apple wood chips. So we'll just add some of these in there just to give it a nice smoke flavor. All right, let's get going. All right, so now we got the fire going. We're gonna bring our chicken wings over here. We don't drip all over the place. And we're gonna add them around the edges. You see that I put the charcoal up high over here on top of the shield, the fire shield on the Oklahoma Joe. But we're gonna put them at the edge so we can get a little smoke on them. We're gonna close it after I get them on there, and we're gonna cook them around 300. All right, as we put our chicken wings around the edges so we don't be directly over the fire, now we're gonna close the lid on it, and we're gonna try to get that cooked to about 300 smoke. We're gonna try to get it to about 45 minutes. We're gonna monitor, but every 15 minutes we wanna flip them over so they don't burn, and if we have to rotate around, we'll do that. The thing is here is you wanna make sure you don't burn the chicken wings. That's the most important thing right now. All right, we're gonna flip these over, check out our chicken wings, see where we're at. Oh yeah, baby, oh look at that. Go another 15 minutes on there. All right, so they've been smoking for about 45 minutes. Let's see what we got in here. So now we're gonna throw them right over the middle part. We can get a little crisp, more crispier to them, just for that nice flavor in there. But you gotta make sure you move quick because you don't wanna burn them. This is where the direct heat will be exactly at. Now we're putting them right over to get that nice char, sear on them, but we're just gonna put them in there. I'm gonna flip them over every once in a while just to get that going. We'll see how we go. Oh yeah, look at those. That's what you want right there. We're just gonna wrap them a little bit. We're gonna put them here, let them sit there for about 5 minutes, and we'll get ready to put some sauce on them, and then we'll see how we go. A sauce that I love to do, it's a half cup of Frank's buffalo wing, it's a cup of honey, and it's a cup of Lutin Booty's Southwest barbecue sauce. Very good. I just love the flavors here. It goes good together, and we're gonna pour it right in here so we can toss the wings right in there. After we let these sit a little bit, we're gonna add them right into our sauce. We're gonna add them right in there, toss them around. Now we'll get in here and just get all that sauce in there, and you wanna get it where it really soaks it up. Now at this point, you can actually add it back to the grill to get a nice, for the sauce to hold. And actually, you know what? We're gonna change it around. We are gonna do that just to get a nice little crisp to it with the sauce on it. Look. All right, we're gonna add them right into the little container. Look at that. This is what you want. You can see that is really pretty. Yep. And we're gonna give it a little hit. We just hit it with some of the Luton Booty Southwestern rub. El Jefe. Oh yeah, baby. Bam! All right, let's dig in here and see what we got. Now that's a good wing. Until next time, keep cooking with Cowboy.